A pharmaceutical transformation is underway, and it's happening here in Scotland.
So CMAC is a medicines manufacturing research centre, and we work with a range of academic partners and industry partners really to deliver useful solutions to help transform the way that medicines are developed and made.
The centre uses large data sets, AI, robotics, digital manufacturing and digital twins. These are known as industrial digital technologies, or IDTs.
Over the last few years, the team has been able to develop a suite of these industrial digital technologies so that ultimately we can get those new medicines to patients more quickly, more cost effectively, and also more sustainably.
CMAC is driving research innovation to create more personalised, sustainable and accessible healthcare solutions for patients across the world. CMAC is transforming the future of medicine's development, manufacture and supply today.